Cause me some pimpin'.
Bad bitches.
Yeah. Yeah. Freakside. Till I die. Got a bad bitch over there. Got a bad bitch over there. A bad bitch over there. And it's even one here.
Bad bitches. Bad bitches. Bad bitches. Bad bitches.
Got a bad bitch over here. Got a bad bitch over there. A bad bitch over there. And it's even one here.
Bad bitches. Bad bitches. Bad bitches. Bad bitches.
Yeah. Talking about them fly honeys, the ones that always say they love me. They singing that I'm Biggie, fuck that shit, I'm Boishaw. Better get with the name or your head can hit the door. Yeah, I need a bad bruh. Bad honeys everywhere, this shit is like a bar. I'm like, fuck it, let me holla at her over there. I like the way her booty looks, so I stopped to stare. I was like, shorty, let me holla at you over here, and let me put this pimpin' in your left and right ear, so you can see I'm clearly trying to get you with a homie just like me, and I'm sure to keep it G. Yeah. While I smoke this weed and blow these trees, I got a bad bitch for every single 4 C's. And now I'm floating. Come float with me while I'm smoking up on this potent. Get your bad ass open.
Got a bad bitch over here and a bad bitch over there. A bad bitch over there and it's even one there.
Bad bitches. Bad bitches. Bad bitches. Bad bitches.
Got a bad bitch over there. Got a bad bitch over there. A bad bitch over there and it's even one there.
Bad bitches. Bad bitches. Bad bitches. Bad bitches.
Peeking out the window, checking for these shorties that be blippin'. They talking about they new nigga, but I'm like, fuck it, I'm pimpin'. I'm like, bitch, you can come get this dick whippin' from a freak. I'ma fuck that putty up because I am the man to be. Be with the niggas every day, I'm just chillin'. Smoking blunts and now you know just how I'm feelin'. Calcium in the motherfucking building, and you already know I'm nigga Charlie Sheen winning. Smoking every day, I'm looking for these bras, dog. Tryna find a bad bitch to give the dick show, and you already know she gotta suck to the morning, and she know I'ma fuck that booty